In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use savings accounts in Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find savings, how to set one up, what interest options mean, and how to move money in and out with confidence. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so all savings features are visible. Once you're in, confirm you're logged into the right profile and you have a stable internet connection. A quick update or relog can solve most visibility issues if you don't immediately see the savings option. Next, head to the area labeled Savings or Vaults. Depending on your region and app layout, you might find it on the home screen, under Wealth or Hub, or inside your accounts list. Both savings and vaults point to the same place to build a dedicated pot for your money and track your growth separately from your everyday spending. Create a new savings account by tapping the option to open a new savings pot or vault. Give it a clear name and, if available, set a goal amount so the app can show your progress. Pick the currency that makes sense for you and check any notes about availability in your country. This setup helps keep your savings purposeful and easier to manage. Now choose your interest type. Flexible savings typically let you access your cash anytime, often with interest calculated daily and paid out regularly. Fixed-term savings may offer a higher rate, but your money is locked until the maturity date. Review the displayed annual rate, whether it's variable, and the compounding details. If early withdrawal is allowed on fixed terms, check the penalty or loss of interest so there are no surprises later. Add funds to get started. You can top up from your Revolut balance, transfer from a linked bank, or use a card if supported. Transfers from a Revolut balance are usually instant, while bank transfers can take longer. If the app offers it, set a recurring deposit or roundups to automate your savings. Double check the amount, source, and any fees shown on screen, then confirm the transfer. From here, your money starts earning interest. You can track daily growth, see the current rate, and view statements for your records. With flexible savings, you can withdraw to your main Revolut account at any time. With fixed terms, you typically wait until maturity for penalty-free access. Keep an eye on rate changes and any regional protections or tax notes shown in-app and adjust your contributions as your goals evolve. That's it. Your Revolut savings are up and running.